Hi, I'm Jake. Welcome to Mrs. Perna's class.
In the section from our eyes down, what I'd like you to do is add either words or objects that describe you, things you like, things you're interested in, words that are you. So if I were going to do that, one of my words would be creative. Another word I would probably use would be mom. Because to me, that's a very important part of my life. And you can decorate around the words, but be careful, don't go past the fold line or it will show. Kids are very important to me. That's you guys. Yeah, I think it's important to play. I think another word that would be good for me is artist. Now remember, I said you could add things. Maybe you like sports. Maybe you're really good at soccer. You draw a soccer ball. You can add symbols. If you know what this is one of my favorite things to do. I love taking kids. My grandpa used to take me fishing. So I think there we go. There's me. Now, up here in the background, you can decorate and color. But here is my self-portrait with mask and without. I'm going to color this up. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, I'm all done. Here's my self-portrait. And there are all the things that are all about me for my self-portrait. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to wear your mask, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.